Everyone and welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am going to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2020 paper 3 to May-June web page part. So before I start with web page part, I make sure that I have all these files. So I have them already here with me. Yeah, we'll continue next. First of all, we need to create a word process document. So I'm going to create a document and I will prepare this one as Word, my evidence document with my name, center number and candidate number, and then we need to save it as they have given the name G2032 and then evidence. So first of all, I need to include my name, center number and candidate number. Insert, we'll go to header and footer, so we choose from here header only, and then I'm going to type here my name, then center number and then candidate number. File, save it as the name as they have mentioned, we'll choose that one. At the end I will type my candidate number. We'll go to desktop and save it into the folder where my other files are. So when it is saved, next step what you need to do, you are going to create a web page for Alino Beach and Dive Resort in Philippines. Yeah. So the web page must work in any browser. All color code must be in hexadecimal. So first of all, you need to create a new folder called AB. So I will create a new folder first of all here and we'll call it AB. Done. Now next step, you need to locate these files into it. So I have them here, the files, and select them all except the sheet and the evidence document. We'll copy them and then we'll paste it into the AB folder. So there are 7 files. So as like, now you need to open the file G2032 and you need to crop the image. So in this case, for cropping the image, we can use the tool easily, like we can use the picture manager or any other tool we can use. Yeah, so I'm going to open the file as they mentioned, 2020 ecomp.jpg, yeah, this one. Right click and then open with, for example, picture manager. So we need to crop this image to remove the top of the image. Then after, it must be 456 pixel high and 265 pixel wide. So we need to do that. Then I'm just going to crop the image first from the top. Yes, and just crop the image, and then we need to fix the width, height and width of it. So for example, we click on edit picture and then crop it. So how much percent from the top? Yes, 456 and then 265 wide. Okay, so we can just simply crop, like here I just mentioned as 0, and just crop it like that. Okay, and then the new width will be 460 5 must be the height. That's it. So the new size is here now. You click on OK, and then after they mention here, you need to save the image as 2032 underscore or hyphen ACC. So file, save it as, into the same folder. Okay, we'll just click on save. Close this file. We do not disturb the original one. Now display the content of AB folder, showing the folder name, file name, extension, image, dimension, file size, and take a screenshot of the AB folder and save it into your evidence document. So I need to click on view and then contents, just like that, and we'll choose the option, and this was your image. We just crop, print screen, close, and we'll go to evidence document, our evidence 1. This is the evidence. We just crop it to remove the unnecessary part of the picture. So here it is. Yeah, the contents are clearly visible. Next step is to create a web page called ABHTM. So here, save it. I have the program called web expression, then desktop, into the same folder, AB web page. Now this web page must work in all browsers. We have a table structure like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 3 columns. So table, insert table, number of rows 5 and 3 columns. It is inserted. Now we need to merge the first 3. Right click, modify, merge cells. And then the next 3, right click, modify and merge cells. Then we need to merge these 2. Right click, modify and merge cells. These 2 as well. 5 and merge cell. Now we need to fix the height and width. So the first one, the width is 855 and the height is 200. So just click here, right click, then cell properties, the height and width in pixel. So the width is 855 and here the height is 200. Apply and OK. Then the next cell, 855 into 480, right click and cell properties, and here 885 and 855, sorry, 855 and then 480, 480. Apply and OK. Now next step is 265 into 60, the 3 cells, these 3 cells. Okay, we'll just click here, we'll choose these 3 cells, right click, cell properties. So 265 into 60, 265 and the height is 60. Apply and OK. And then after 265 into 456, these 2 cells. Okay. Yes, these 2 I will select. Then right click, cell properties. So 265 and 456. That's it. Apply and OK. And then we have the remaining 2. This one is 265 into 265 into 274, and this last cell must be 265 into 180 162. Okay, 265 and 162. So apply and OK, all the cells are arranged. Now what we need to do is each table cell is identified with the letter and dimensions are in pixel. The letters are in dimensions shown in the table must not appear on the final web page, so they are not appearing. And then the table shows the spacing between cell, which will be set when your style sheet is attached in step number 9. So table border must appear on the final web page. So the table borders must appear on the final web page. So we'll do that. And then after this said, place in cell A the image 2032 logo. So that is here. Insert an image, then desktop to the folder. Here we have the logo, and then alternate text I'm just going to type logo. Next, place in cell B a placeholder 855 pixel wide and 480 pixel high containing the video clip 2032 underscore or hyphen LNU MP4 display an automated text based error if the web browser does not support this type of video. So for video, what we need to do is we just need to click here, and this one must be 850 into 480 pixel high. So we'll insert the video here. So here we need to insert the movie or clip. So media, we'll just click the media files, then we go to the folder on desktop, AB folder, all the files, and then we just get the file. So when it is inserted here, as they have mentioned, it must be 855 pixel and 480 pixels. So right click, control property, we'll just click on object tag, and then here we are going to mention the 855 and 480, the width and height as they said. And then they said display an automated text-based error if the browser does not support. So alternate representation, you just type here that or we just click on general. Yeah, if there is some if there is a message, we can even just type the message here. Okay, alternative representation. So error video not supported. Click on apply and OK. That's done. If you want to check, you can just check also. Okay, you just click here on file and preview in the web browser, just like that. Then allow the block contents. So it's working already here. We'll just stop this one and we'll start to the next point. So place in cell C the text location. Okay, and then accommodation. So we have cell C here. This is our cell C location, and here accommodation, and then we have beach here, beach. Now this text must be in heading style H2. Select this one and apply to it H2. Then next step is in cell F the image 2032 view. Okay, so we should check first which is our cell F. So here it is F and then it is G. So F, G and H. So here the view, insert picture from file and the image called view. This one, alternate text is for example view of sea or beach, you can say. And then here for in this cell we need to insert accommodation image in cell here. So insert picture and accommodation, this one. So accommodation, and then after here we need to insert an image of beach. So beach and beach view. Click OK. Picture is inserted. Now what they ask us to do, that make sure that each image is 265 pixel wide. So right click, picture property, and here we go to the appearance and width 265. Okay, this one, picture and appearance 265, this is also 265. That's it. Then next step is enter in cell I the text website last edited by, then followed by a space, then your name, center number, candidate number. So here, then space followed by then your name, center number and candidate number. This one must be adding style H3. Select this one and apply heading style H3 to it. And then next step is to add appropriate alternate text to all still images. We are done with this. Now you need to attach the style sheet to it. So we'll save this one and format style sheet link, attach style sheet and browse. This is the style sheet you need to attach to your web page. This is how it will look like. Now what they said, that set the name of target window to open in a new window underscore blank. We need to set this also. So for this one you just need to go to the code, yes, and here in the title area you just need to say here that base, yes, base, then space target, yeah, target, and then you just say here equal to, and then mention here underscore blank. That's all. And then you just close your bracket here, yeah. So that's it, base target and then blank. That's all. And then next step they mention here, create a hyperlink to the text location and from the image 2032 view.jpg. So you need to create a hyperlink to open a web page 2032-ab2. So we need to click on the view image. Yeah, this was the view image. You just go to the properties to check only. Yeah, this is a view image. Now right click and hyperlink to a web page they have given here. So existing files, so AB, and the target frame is this time a new window, and then we choose here location. Then just click on OK. Okay, it is created a link, and then create a hyperlink to the text placed in cell I to send an email to AB @ Cambridge, yeah, underscore @ Cambridge and subject is inquiry about Illinois. So in cell I we have the text, sorry, not here, here it is. For example, if you, this is our cell I, so I choose, for example, web page as a hyperlink. Okay, so when I choose this one as a hyperlink, I can just send an email. Okay, or I just click here and then right click and insert a hyperlink, okay, to send an email to this email address, and then the subject line is inquiry about Illinois. So that's what I have written. Okay, so all the, sorry, we just better to choose web page to make this one as a hyperlink. So, or you can just choose this text all and then right click and hyperlink again to, this is the subject line, and or you can just simply say this one, yeah, click on OK, and then next step is to display your web page in the web browser. If it is necessary, resize it as well. So save and go to your web browser, this is the one I guess, yeah, and then we just refresh. Okay, so this is how it look like. And there is one more, let me refresh this one as well. Yeah, both of them have the same preview. So what we are going to do here, we are going to adjust the table also size here. So right click, table properties, and maximum is 860, for example, line. OK, now when I preview this time, okay, so we just adjust this one. Yeah, and then we just reduce, so all we get all the information just like that. Then you just print screen, and this is your evidence 2. Paste it, then just crop like that. This is what we have. We'll make it bigger if you want. And then the next step is here to display the HTML source code also. So code, copy this all and then just paste it as your evidence 3. That's all, and that's the end of the web page part of this question paper. So hope you have learned how to deal with the web page and how to create the web pages and including videos and other objects. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.